So welcome back, YouTube. I've been busy bee. And another thing, like, quickly, you see that? These would have been chucked out at work. I noticed they go off on the 6th. And the 6th, it is the 6th, it's past the 6th now, but still. Put them in the freezer, you're sorted. So I want to give them some to the food bank, because annoyingly I'm gluten intolerant, people, and if you're wondering what that is in my neck, it's my mic boom, because out here is windy and I can't exactly hold it. It makes me think I've got like some weird growth or some extra titty. But anyways, look, more food scraps. And I'll show you what I've been doing. I've been really busy. I've been trying to focus on just getting some stuff done instead of vlogging, because there's a little rabbit over there, because vlogging and doing stuff kind of takes up a lot of time. So I've been gathering up more pallets. If you look down here, still haven't tidied up this space here, but I've been building and making a little bench that we create here, so when people come around we can sit outside and have a cup of tea. Still some cardboard to collect over there, because if you look at a video now, when I was doing a little update the other day, it was bonkers. There's a flipping golden eagle flew over. Like, if you remember the chicken coop, we see videos now, the chicken coop flew for miles, mate. Like, I say miles, it blew from there like a good 8 meters, which is incredible. But the reason being is because if you're gonna follow me now, I'll show you over here. I've got a little surprise, you might have heard it just then. But if you look down here, when the wind blows, down here, it literally just comes straight up this hill and goes zoof, because the south is over there and west is over here, and there's nothing stopping it from the North Atlantic Sea. There's nothing. Well, these houses in a couple of hills, but it's just like bang. But what I created is, look, a windbreak. So it's proper sturdy now. I am going to double it up, but what I'm going to intend to do is in time is put some cardboard down and sheet mulch it with sheep wool and some seaweed I'm going to collect with CWD today, and put some garlic in into some certain crops. And I had to do this one like that because lovely old nice rock down here, a big boulder, I'm not going to move that. But I'm going to do it all the way around like I did in the old kind of plot in Surrey, but this is a bit more reinforced, and I'm going to double it up to put this in here, and it's very noticeably different when you kind of got both of them up and the wind kind of gets stopped. And that bag over there has got lots of plants and freebies from Susie's mum's house, so I'm going to plant them in that little pot there. But the ducks are doing good. Let's show you the little ducks. They're growing really fast. Need to empty their water today. And I got busy. I built this the other day, and if you can look, we have 7 chickens. Well, you can't really see through here. Let me bend down, see if we can see them through the gap. Can you see them? No. But yeah, there's 7 chickens in there, believe me. I've got a rooster and 6 hens, because I thought if we're gonna have chickens, we might as well have 6. If we have like half a dozen, we're having 4 and having to build it up kind of thing. So yeah, let me show you around. So I've been up in arms about what to do with chickens when you do get them, but with the ducks they can't fly lit, but you can see that they're getting ready, their wings are getting pretty big. But with the chickens they can flap pretty high. So before they start free ranging, because they're going to have the full range of this, like half of this side pretty much when the time's right, is that you need to kind of keep them in a spot so they know where home is. And annoyingly I built this to stop them from getting in the rain, like this little kind of, it's pretty much like that but with a bit of metal on. But I know they want to roost in here, and they're friendly enough. Like, I was in there like on my hands and knees trying to corral them into that coop last night, and they got in. But the thing is, what I need to do today is make it a bit more light, because in there's pitch black, which is good because they go straight to bed, but they can't find their way around like muskie can see in the dark kind of thing. So what I need to do is take down this, because this is only going to be temporary until they can get used to the coop, maybe 3 or 4 days. Then I'll let them, my electric fence should be here. And I know I said I was going to get electric fence before the otter, but the man who was selling the chickens, let me turn you around. Yeah, the man who was selling the chickens, he needed to make more space for his other chickens. That's his business basically. He just has chickens. He just breeds chickens. So I was happy to get it. I didn't realise they were so bloody big. But we had all 6 of them in there. Look at that box. 7, sorry, all 7 of them in that box. Poor guys, they're in there for the whole day. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna crack on now because today's gonna rain. So that's just a little update for you, just so you can understand what's going on here and what I've been up to. So yeah, just stick with us, and me and Celia are going to collect some seaweed later today too. And I'm not going to the croft. I got so many ideas, there's so many things going in my head.